Hello everyone, welcome back to our part 2 5-day grammar masterclass. In our previous video we learned about adverbs and now it's time for day 7 when we will learn another very important part of speech, that is preposition. So let's begin. So before we understand the definition, let's understand the word preposition. Preposition means pre means before, position means place or location. So pre plus position is equals to prepositions. Means prepositions को हम कहाँ पर रखते हैं? लोकेशन या प्लेस से पहले. Let's learn with the example. The book is on the table. So what is the noun? Book, table. And what is the preposition? On. So where is the book? On the table. So here on tells us the position of the book, that it is on the top of the table. And next thing, the relationship between the book and the table. ये हमें बताता है कि book और table के बीच में क्या relationship है. So the book is connected to the table by being on it. वो उसके ऊपर रखी हुई है, यही उसका relationship है. So on is a preposition because it shows both the position and the relationship of the noun book with the another word table. So easy formula to remember, preposition is equals to relationship words plus position words. Now let's understand what does a preposition tell us. ये हमें क्या क्या बताता है. So easy trick to remember, a preposition answer 4 important questions. Where means it shows the place or position. When means it shows the time. Which way means it shows the direction. And with whom or for whom means it shows the relationship. Let's understand all these 4 things with the example. First one is preposition of place position. So it give answer of where. ये हमें where का आंसर करता है. So this preposition tell us where a person or thing is or what its position is, और उसकी position क्या है. Let's learn with the example. Cat is under the chair. So where is the cat? Under the chair. Chair के नीचे है. So under is a preposition here because under tells us the position of the cat. Cat की position बता रहा है and it shows that cat is below the chair. वो chair के नीचे है. Next example, the ball is in the box. So where is the ball? In the box. Box के अंदर है. So in is the preposition because in tells us the position of the ball and it shows that the ball is inside the box. वो box के अंदर है. So here in, on, under, above, below, behind, beside, between and near. These all are the prepositions which are used as preposition of place or position. Second is preposition of time which give answer of when, जो हमें when का आंसर करता है. These prepositions tell us when something happens. They help us talk about time, days, months, years and dates. So let's learn with the example. The class starts at 9 o'clock. So question is, when does the class start? Answer is at 9 o'clock. So here at is a preposition because it tell us the exact time. Therefore at is a preposition of time. Next example, my birthday is in July. So when is your birthday? So it give answer of when. In July. July में है. So here in tell us the month. Therefore in is a preposition of time. So easy memory trick. At is used for exact time. Means at 8 o'clock like this. On is used for days and dates. On Monday, on 26 January. Okay. In is used for months, years, seasons and part of the day. Like in July, in 2026, in winter, in the morning. So we used these prepositions as preposition of time. Now third one is preposition of direction. Means it give answer of which way. किस दिशा में जा रहे हैं, किस तरफ. So these prepositions tell us the direction or the movement of a person or thing. Movement भी दिखाता है और direction भी दिखाता है. They show where someone और समथिंग इज़ गोइंग, कोई भी चीज़ या कोई पर्सन किधर की तरफ जा रहा है, इज़ गोइंग किस तरफ जा रहा है, सो इट शोज़ द डायरेक्शन. लेट्स लर्न विद द एग्जाम्पल. सी इज़ गोइंग टू स्कूल. तो यहाँ पर वेयर इज़ सी गोइंग, वो कहाँ जा रही है, टू स्कूल. सो टू word is a preposition because it shows the direction of movement. It tells us that she is moving towards the school. वो स्कूल की तरफ मूव कर जा रही है. Let's learn with the next example. The birds flew into the cage. So where did the birds fly? Into the cage. So into tells us that the bird moved from outside to inside the cage. वो बाहर से केज की तरफ अंदर की तरफ जा रही हैं. So it is a preposition of direction. Next is preposition of relationship, means which give answer of with whom, for whom or from whom. It tells us how one person or thing is connected to another. Let's see the example. I am sitting with my friend. So with my friend, with tell us the relationship between me and my friend. So it shows that we are together, हम एक साथ हैं. So with is a preposition of relationship. This gift is for you. So for whom is this gift? For you. So here forward for tell us the relationship between the gift and you. This show who will receive the gift. So golden rule for students. If a word tell us where, when, in which direction or how one noun or pronoun is connected to another word, it is called a preposition. If my video is helpful for you to learn the prepositions in easy way, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching and wait for my next video of day 8